Now I understand new technology is all good, but you know I sort of miss when you have a 4x4 pushing levers and pulling gears and engaging hubs. Man, those days are history. On that Super Duty that comes with 4x4, guess what? You get shift on the fly. The ability to just hit a little lever, boom, you're in 4x4. I don't know, where's the drama? They do have one manual thing left. They have the availability of a manual hub override system, so you can get out and at least neutralize those two hubs. Sometimes it's just getting too simple, don't you think?